This is the Thanos bust printing right now. Just printing the base at the moment. Check how long it's got left. It's got about 2 hours left. 22% of the way there. Let's just check. Yeah, 44 grams. 2 hours 47 minutes. Pretty decent. It's only 122 millimeters tall. 0.15 millimeter layer height, and then 10% infill. Yeah, I'll show you when it's finished. Into the face details now. Looking pretty good. I had to use supports for the chin though because I didn't trust it. It said no supports, but I never trust that. There it is. Really sick. It did all the scars on his face and everything. The ridges. The base looks really cool as well. Yeah, shout out to this guy. Sick model. It'd be good if I had a multi-filament printer, but it looks good anyway. The detail is just crazy.